Are you ready to transform your fitness routine? Zumba dance workouts are the perfect fusion of fun and fitness, allowing you to groove your way to better health. This high-energy dance workout is inspired by Latin music and international rhythms, creating an exhilarating atmosphere that makes exercising feel more like a party than a chore. The heart of Zumba lies in its infectious beats that get your body moving. As you step into the world of Zumba, you'll find yourself swaying to lively salsa, merengue, and reggaeton rhythms. Each session is designed to engage your entire body, combining cardio, muscle conditioning, balance, and flexibility. From rhythmic hip movements to energizing footwork, every twist and turn promises to shed calories while enhancing your cardiovascular endurance. One of the reasons Zumba is so appealing is its inclusivity. No prior dance experience is needed, making it accessible for everyone, regardless of fitness level. Whether you're a seasoned dancer or someone who just wants to have fun while working out, Zumba welcomes all. The upbeat atmosphere encourages you to let loose and express yourself without the fear of judgment, allowing you to connect with your body and enjoy the rhythm that drives each move. As the session heats up, you'll notice the endorphins kicking in, transforming any feelings of fatigue into bursts of joy. Each song brings its own unique choreography, challenging you to step outside of your comfort zone while mastering new dance moves. The group dynamic fosters a supportive environment where you can motivate each other, creating a sense of community that makes every session more enjoyable. After a lively hour of dancing, the benefits of Zumba become clear. Not only do you improve your physical fitness, but you also boost your mental health. The combination of intense cardio and social interaction works wonders for stress relief, promoting a sense of well-being that lingers long after the music stops. Incorporating Zumba into your weekly routine can enhance your mood while promoting weight loss, improved coordination, and overall body strength. In summary, Zumba dance workouts invite you to bring your enthusiasm and energy as you embark on a fitness journey. So grab your workout gear, find a local class, and get ready to dance your way to health. Embrace the joy of movement and discover just how fulfilling fitness can be when coupled with rhythm and excitement.